Today's topic is firefighting appliances, FFA. What is fire extinguishers? Portable fire extinguishers are the first line of defense against small fires. They are placed in different areas of the ship. Types of fire extinguishers: dry powder extinguisher, used for electrical fires and flammable liquids. Co-extinguisher, best for electrical and machinery fires, leaves no residue. Foam extinguisher, used for oil and fuel fires, creates a blanket to cut oxygen. Water extinguisher, used for wood, paper, and cloth fires. Comes in portable and wheeled versions. Fire hoses with nozzles. Fire hoses deliver water under pressure to fight larger fires. The nozzle controls the water flow, either as a jet or a spray. Fire hose boxes and hydrant points. These are storage boxes and connection points for fire hoses. They ensure hoses are ready and easily accessible during fire emergencies. Fireman's outfit. A fireman's outfit is special clothing that protects crew members fighting fires. It includes fireman's suit resistant to heat and flames, helmet, boots, and gloves for full body protection, safety lamp to see in smoke-filled areas, fire axe to break doors or obstacles, breathing apparatus, SCBA. The self-contained breathing apparatus provides clean air to firefighters. It allows them to enter smoke-filled or toxic areas safely. Emergency Escape Breathing Device, EEBD. An EEBD is used by crew to escape from smoke or gas-filled spaces. It gives a short supply of breathable air for evacuation only. Fixed fire suppression systems. Fixed systems protect large spaces like engine rooms, cargo holds, or tankers. Types: co-fixed system floods the space with carbon dioxide to remove oxygen and stop fire. Water mist system uses fine water spray to cool and smother fire. Foam system used on tankers to blanket fuel fires. Dry chemical powder system used on gas carriers like LPG and LNG ships. Fire detection and alarm system. This system detects smoke, heat, or flame and sounds an alarm. It gives early warning so the crew can act quickly. Fire control plans. These are posters displayed on board showing locations of fire equipment and escape routes. They guide crew during emergencies. Fire blanket. A fire blanket is used to smother small fires, especially in galleys or for clothing fires. Fire axe. A fire axe is a strong tool used to break open doors, walls, or obstacles during firefighting and rescue. Sprinkler system, accommodation. Automatic sprinklers are fitted in accommodation areas. They spray water when heat is detected, helping to control fires quickly. Fire pumps, main and emergency. Fire pumps supply water under pressure to hydrants and hoses. The emergency fire pump is separate and works if the main pump fails. Smoke detectors and heat detectors. Smoke detectors sense smoke, and heat detectors sense rising temperature. Both give alarms to warn the crew of fire. Hydrant valves and couplings. Hydrant valves connect hoses to the fire main system. Couplings allow quick connection and disconnection of hoses. Foam applicator unit. A foam applicator mixes foam with water and sprays it onto fuel or oil fires. It is mainly used on tankers. Portable gas detectors. Optional equipment used to detect dangerous gases or low oxygen levels before entering enclosed spaces. Different type of portable gas detectors on ships. Oxygen detector. Checks if there is enough oxygen to breathe. Used before entering tanks or closed spaces. Low oxygen can make people faint or die. Flammable gas detector. Checks for gases that can catch fire or explode. Used in pump rooms, fuel tanks, and engine room. It prevents fire and explosion accidents. Toxic gas detector. Checks for dangerous gases like CO, HS, or SO. These gases can poison or kill. Used in engine room, cargo tanks, and sewage plant. Multi-gas detector. One device that checks 4 gases at the same time. Oxygen, flammable gas, carbon monoxide, and HS. This is the main detector for enclosed space entry. VOC or PID detector. Checks harmful vapors from oil and chemicals. Used on tankers and chemical carriers. Protects crew from long-term health damage. Special detectors. Some ships need extra detectors. Ammonia detector for refrigeration ships. Chlorine detector for chemical carriers. Co-detector for co-fire system leaks. In short, detectors with their usage. Oxygen detector for safe breathing. Flammable gas detector for fire and explosion. Toxic gas detector for poisoning gases. Multi-gas detector for safe entry in closed spaces. VOC PID detector for oil and chemical vapors. Special detectors for cargo or machinery needs.